about my first movie, Marie Sørensen. She was a young girl who died in 1902, 16th of May. It was extremely brutally murder about him. She was a country girl. She walked totally alone on the field, and she got catch backwards and sticking with a knife. I have done a funny movie about this murder, and now you can tell yourself, who the hell can she done a funny movie about a brutally murder? I have done this. It's very fun, but in the end of this movie, you can show on Film på Sagello. I told you, at the end of the movie, I told who she really was, Marie Sørensen. The really one. Look forward on Film på Sagello. Show this movie. Hi!